What's up everyone, I'm Roxy and today is day 13 of my 30 days to get your life together productivity series. So if you're new to my channel and you have no idea what I'm talking about, basically every single day for the month of June, I'll be posting a new productivity challenge that is going to help you get your life together. So I'll also link in the series playlist so you can catch up on the other challenges and see a little bit more about what it's about. So before I share with you my challenge for today, which is something I'm really excited about, weirdly enough, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It is my only form of social media and I have so much exclusive beauty and lifestyle content over there, so you can go check that out. Today is day 13. I don't know why I'm so excited, but basically it's something that you can do right now in this video. Throwing that out there, you can just pause and do it. But basically you're gonna write down a list of things that you want to stop doing and a corresponding list about things that you want to do instead. So much times we are so fixated on negative habits that we don't even realize, but when we really sit down and take the time to reflect on it, you realize how much negative things that you are doing in your life and how much things you're really doing to hurt yourself and to hurt your growth. And you want to really change that. You want to really flip that entire switch. You want to do other things instead that are more positive and more uplifting, and that will definitely help you grow as an individual, and it will definitely help you be inspired and motivated and of course more productive, because instead of focusing on all of that negative juju, you are replacing that with so much goodness. So obviously amazing things will start happening in your life. So let me give you an example which is very true to my life and something that I'm really trying hard to stop doing. But something that I always do and I really want to stop doing is ignoring messages and ignoring emails. Like, I will open my phone and just not respond to anyone, and I know that's really bad. I also take a while to respond to emails, which is another huge thing I just want to stop. Sometimes when I see it pop up, I just feel a sense of overwhelmingness. I don't even know if that is a word. And I just ignore it. I just literally blank it completely from my mind. And then by the time I feel like if I'm ready to respond, like 3 weeks have passed. Like, that literally happened today. Like 3 weeks passed and I was just like shook. And I was like, oh my god, I need to really stop doing this. So what I would like to do instead is to set aside about 15 minutes every single day and reply to all the messages and all the emails that I have, and just not put it off, because I know that that is really just not a good thing to do, especially if you're on social media. It's just something that I'm really trying hard to work on. So you can actually test me on this and maybe slide into my DMs and just leave a message and see if I respond to you in a reasonable time, at least that same day, and not like 3 weeks from now. You guys gonna hold me accountable for that. I'm really trying to not be late with my emails and my messages, because it's not a good thing to do professionally. I'm not doing it out of like spite. It's just that I feel overwhelmed and I take a while to respond, okay? So that is something that I really want to stop doing. The next thing that I really want to stop doing is having my desk especially so untidy. And the challenge that I did earlier this month, where I cleaned up the space I use the most, really helped me. It's still clean, as you can see, and every single time I pass and I see something that is not there, I make sure and remove it immediately. So I want to keep doing that. I am working on that. So I really just want to stop having my desk so untidy. And what I'm starting to practice is every time I see something that is on my desk that I don't want there and is not supposed to be there, I move it immediately without even thinking. So those are 2 examples that I have from my personal life. But you can probably write down 5 things that you want to stop doing, like 5 negative habits or something like that that you want to stop doing. And then you want to do 5 things that you want to do instead of doing those negative things. So I would love to see your responses to this. Definitely feel free to comment down below or slide into my DMs. I really hope that you are enjoying this series so far, and if you are, give it a huge thumbs up. It means so much to me and it supports my channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe, because I have so much amazing content coming your way. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow for my next productivity challenge. Bye! Mwah.